An interesting feature on Samsung Galaxy phones allows you to personalize even your SIM card. If you've ever wanted to change the name or icon of your SIM card, this tutorial is perfect for you. In just a few simple steps, you can give it the look that suits you. Let's discover how you can do this on your phone. So here's how. First, find and open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, find the Connections option and tap it to open. When you're on the Connection Settings page, you'll see several options. Find the SIM Manager option and tap it to open the SIM card settings. Now, in this section, select the SIM card you want to change the name and icon for. Once you've done that, tap the Edit Name and Icon option. When you reach this point, tap on the current name of your SIM card and enter the new one. Right after that, choose the icon you want to assign to your SIM card. Once you're done, tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. Now your SIM card is fully personalized with the new name and icon you selected. This simple step can help you easily recognize your card, especially if you use more than one. Additionally, it allows you to further customize the look of your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions or want more tips, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.